Hey everyone, welcome back with a new lecture with ISO IEC 17043 2023 edition and how to apply confidentiality inside the PT provider organization. First point, you can create legally enforceable confidentiality agreements between the PT provider and the participant that all informations will be confidential between both of them. Also, NDA shall be signed by every person working inside the organization, PT provider organization, or dealing with them, as example, external expert to make a statistical evaluation for their work. So, create legally enforceable confidentiality agreement, NDAs, non-disclosure agreements, for that will be for the PT staff, committee members, external experts, consultant, contractors, even temporary workers also, to ensure everyone keep informations confidential. So you will prepare NDA template for all staff and staff confidentiality policy. Policy is a statement that all informations inside the PT provider organization will be confidential and everyone shall sign on this statement, and even the top management. PT scheme confidentiality SOP will include everything about confidentiality regarding or taking from the standard. Second point, also you can protect all PT data with controlled access. In the new standard also, software has been promoted. You should use software to protect your data, not only paperwork. So protect all PT data with controlled access. So everyone working inside the organization will have his unique account with the password protected also. Assign unique user accounts for software and databases, and also restrict PT participant identity to only PT operation team. If you assign unique user account also for every person inside the organization, so if there is any change or edit for the result, for the evaluation of result, or any change, you will know from which account also. So restrict PT participant identity to only PT operation team. So you keep the information about participant identity confidential only for the PT operation team. And store PT results in a secure system. You can use LIMS. You can use a locked folders to keep the PT results also. You can use password protected databases. Every database used will be password protected for sure. So and that will be explained after. Software has to be validated also. It has to be password protected, all software used inside the PT provider organization. And PT provider also shall inform the participant before publishing anything about his result, about his performance. And he shall not share the identity of the participant also. So if the PT provider wants to publish any information, as example scientific paper or case study or performance evaluation, he shall inform the participant before publishing anything, and the participant shall accept this. But also he cannot share the identity of the participant. The identity of participant shall be kept confidential. So he can share, as example, 10% of laboratories had failed or had a PT failed or failed in their performance, but he cannot share the identity of their participant also. So inform the participant before publishing anything. So all emails or documents relating to this contacting with the participant shall be documented. And also when releasing confidential information required by law, if a regulator or any authority or the court or government agency requires any information about lab under their authority, in this case you have to share this information with them about PT result or their performance, but you shall notify the lab if not prohibited by law. So if they did not accept, you shall not notify the participant, but you have to keep all documents for this process. At the beginning, they will request. So you will verify their legal request at the beginning. So verify legal request and release any required information to them. But all attached documents you can keep in a file. And SOP, inside the SOP for confidentiality also you will add handling regulatory information requests. That one point also added to the SOP regarding confidentiality. And finally, you should have a training every year for any new staff to tell them about confidentiality, what's confidentiality, and how can we keep all information relating to the customer confidential between the PT provider and the customer also, and what's the importance of this to the organization. That was the end of our lecture for today. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture with the structural requirements.